Hello, Unique Cruisers. I am Aaron Macwa. Okay, so I am confident, well organized, and prepared. My life verse for today is lightning might strike. So, if you can tell me that something good or lucky might happen unexpected. So, minsan, yung gusto mo suntok sa buwan, pero kung para sa'yo talaga. And my recent wins in the last 48 hours, first win is an early 7 to 9 green zone. Okay? Na umabot ng 11 kanina. So, kwento ko lang yung highlight ng green zone na yon is except from may taga-monitor kami na kami ay nagtatrabaho is naka-reconnect ako sa isang client na di nagbayad sa aking graphic design services dati. Yan. So, buti na lang, di ko siya hinaway. Okay? So, kanina, nung kinumusta ko siya, ayun, nag-reply naman siya. So, kailangan ko na lang siyang i-set ng appointment and then, i-one sick close. Wow. Yan. And then, second win is an opportunity for work with my unit head sa sa MaxiCare. So, dagdag income day siya. Third, mapagbawas ako ng utang. And then, my commitment for today is to create my own version of FNA, Happy Retirement. Okay, out of Miss Nick's concept presentation. Sana magawan ko ng hostisya. And then, yun, mag-respect at mag-set ang appointment ulit for MaxiCare and Crew Life. Pero tapos na yan. Nanonood na kanina. Wala lang na-set ng appointment. And I am grateful because ang happy ng green zones kanina. So, nasasabi ko talaga na napapaligiran si Bisnik ng mga happy people. Ayan. And then, the support that I will give to the world today is to help my MaxiCare unit head sa task niya. So, he can help more consultants like me. Like, that will help naman yung mga clients. Sabi nga nila, di natin kailangan maging solution mismo sa problem. Okay, so being part of the solution is also good. Or being, sabi ni Miss Cherry sa isa sa mottos na is bridge. Yeah, bridge sa solution. Okay na rin yun. And then I am a unique closer because I feel and need. Have a blessed evening na. So thank you for watching and see you later for my evening routine. Bye-bye.